Today, I'm going to talk about some effective home remedy that will help to moisturize and repair your skin very well, and your texture of skin would be beautiful. Each of these moisturizers are prepared from natural ingredients and has no side effect on the skin. That's the beauty of natural products. Everyone can use them and feel a long lasting effect on their body. First moisturizer is face mist. Here is an amazing face mist. Jojoba oil is very much useful for dry skin and even combination skin. Its moisturizing property helps your skin retain its water and so prevents dryness. Jojoba oil helps balancing your skin's natural oil. It is ideal even for combination skin. It's also anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. Instead of jojoba oil, you can also use almond oil, coconut oil, and essential oil such as lemon, lavender, rose water. Each of these oils have refreshing and therapeutic properties that automatically soothes the skin and also improves skin's quality. Second, summer pack. Here are two wonderful summer packs. First, orange plus rose water pack. So now understand how to make this pack. First, take fresh peels of orange. Add 1 tablespoonful of rose water into it. Blend these things in a mixie jar. This paste should be applied all over your face and neck. Keep it for 15 minutes and then wash it out. You can also use orange peel powder to make this pack. Orange peel has collagen as well as elastin, which is very good for all skin types. Since orange peels have antibacterial properties, they fight with acne causing germs, and that helps to have a clear skin. Second pack, flower petals and honey. This beautiful pack will make you blush and glow like a beautiful flower. Rose has antiseptic and antimicrobial properties that can reduce the symptoms of acne breakouts. Rose water has mid pH level at 5.5. That helps to cleanse the skin without harming it. It is very gentle. It removes oil and dirt from your skin by unclogging your pores. Honey also possesses anti inflammatory, hydrating, and therapeutic effects that help to handle skin dryness. It is also a great moisturizer that keeps your skin soft and healthy. Now, third, moisturizing scrub. Try this excellent scrub, which will really rejuvenate your skin, and it would make your skin moisturized as well as soft. Rice flour has skin brightening and detan property, and that helps to reveal your real skin glow. It is an excellent source of vitamin B, which helps in production of new cells and make your skin looks fresh and healthy. Curd is an excellent moisturizer not just for your face but even for your hair. It is excellent for moisturizing your skin, removing acne, and preventing sunburn. Another good moisturizer could be coconut milk and rose water. Coconut milk's capacity to hydrate skin is excellent. The milk is rich in healthy fatty acids, which nourishes dry skin cells thoroughly. It is also excellent conditioner for your hair. Mix equal part of rose water and coconut milk and apply on your face and body as a moisturizer. So Do try these wonderful, simple, homemade remedies. They are so natural that they would just help, would never harm, and it would work on any season. And in this hot climate, you are supposed to use it because otherwise skin really suffers. All these things can be used for all kind of skins. It could be very dry, it could be oily, it could be cracky, and so on. Look after yourself a little, and that would help you to feel good, to feel happy and cheerful. Take charge of yourself. Namaskar.